Why choose civil engineering? What if your future career could shape entire cities, connect communities, and leave a legacy that lasts for generations? That's exactly what civil engineering is all about. Civil engineers design, build, and maintain the infrastructure that keeps our world moving. From skyscrapers and bridges to highways, railways, tunnels, airports, and sustainable cities, they create the foundations of modern society. As a civil engineering student, you'll learn about structures, construction, transportation, geotechnics, water systems, and the latest digital engineering technologies. It's a career that combines creativity, science, technology, and problem-solving to tackle real-world challenges. Most importantly, you'll work on projects that improve people's lives and make a visible impact on the world around you. If you're looking for a career that's exciting, rewarding, and truly meaningful, civil engineering could be the perfect choice for you. Civil engineering, designing today, building tomorrow.